So today we're gonna be talking about nothing. No kidding. So me and her name's Christy. My name's Aisa. We're sisters, and What's it? What is it? My name's Aisa, and her name's Christy. And this is our dog. Her name's Shishi. This one's my dog. Her name's Shishi. It's a Pope. And this one is a poodle. My dog's a poodle, and her name's Shishi, and this one's mine. And we both have dogs. Honestly, we're not kidding. This one's so cute. Like, oh, they're both cute. Like, really cute. Her name is Zoe, and she's a pug. And yeah, we love our dogs so much. Like, we sleep with them, honestly, huh? Like, we both sleep in the same room, different beds, with our dogs, literally on us.
And we had to go wash the blankets because they pee on
Yeah,
them.
sometimes the other day on Thursday, which was yesterday, they peed on our bed. Like, well, that was so cute. This one, guys, she literally loves to sleep. She loves it. Look, she's already falling asleep in your arms. She's literally falling asleep, and you can't really see her. She blends in with the dark, and she's hyper. She barks a lot. She barks a lot more than her. Look, like literally, look how nice Christy is with Zoe. Like, we literally love our dogs. Oh, look, she really loves me, and she gives me a handshake. She doesn't know how to give high five. We're gonna talk about how trained they are.
Give me a high five.
Look, she does want to give you a high five, but she can't reach your arm. You put it too
Give
far.
me a high five. Give me a high five.
Oh, she did. Look, so they both have a collar. Oh, they're both pink.
And we lost our dog. Here's is the
Yeah. So somebody needs to call us. So if we lose our dog, somebody needs to call us. And if they don't call, oh my God, it's
for real. And this is my dog's. This is my dog. This is my dog's phone
It's a
number.
bone and it's pink, and it says Zoe and the phone number.
Okay, turn on the light. Turn on the light for I can show them.
So here Shishis. Shishis are small, but it's okay. And
They're here!
And me and Christy might get our nails done today or tomorrow, and we're so excited. Like, we might get our nails done today or tomorrow, and we're really excited. I'm excited. Look, they both have a good, like...
They like to get a
I know, look how cute they are. So...
I love you. I love you.
Yeah, are they... Christy might get her nails done. This is the before. Ugly, crusty nails. Mine not crusty. What about yours?
Hey, ladies, shut the
She's not me. What about your nails? These are mine. Before, take a screenshot of our before nasty nails, and then we're gonna show you after. I'm excited to get our nails done. My mom's taking us. You see how she barks, you guys? Like.